Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Publix. These deals run from January the 2nd to January the 9th, 2024. In this video, I'm going to be using only digital deals, including the IBOTTA and Fetch app. If you are not using the IBOTTA or Fetch app, there is a link in the description box. You get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well when you sign up using my referral code. Also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. You can either print it off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone, whatever works best for you. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The first deal is on the Huggies diapers. Now, this is the best deal on diapers I'm seeing in a while. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 6 bags of the Huggies diapers. They are $9.59 each. Your total is going to be $57.54. Now, when you buy $50 worth of diapers, $15 is going to come off at the register. In addition to that, you are also going to use this Publix digital coupon for $15 when you spend $50. So you have two things going on. You have if you spend $50, you get $15 off automatically at the register, and then you also have that $15 coupon. Those $30 in savings is going to leave you to pay $27.54 or just $4.59 per bag of diapers. All right, so we have two different deals going on the General Mills cereal bars. It's either going to be on the cereal bars or it's going to be on like the ones that are like the oatmeal type ones. So what you're going to do is they are $4.19 usually. They are on buy one, get one free, so they're $2.10. You're going to pick up 2. Your total will be $4.20. Then you're going to use this 50-cent coupon on the Publix app. That 50-cent coupon is going to come off, and your total at the register is going to be $3.70. Then, like I said, you have 2 different IBOTTA offers. One is for 50 cents on like just the Lucky Charms one, the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and one is for $1 back on the Golden Grams. You have to scan it to see which ones attach, but the ones that are like the Golden Grams ones are like the soft baked oat bars is what they're calling it. So if you did the ones that were the soft baked oat bars, that would take $1 off on each one, making it $1.70, which is going to make them 85 cents. If you did the one that's the 50-cent IBOTTA, it's going to take a 50 cent off each one, making it $1.35 for each one. So either it's going to be $1.35 or 85 cents, just according to which one you do. We got a great deal on the GoGurt yogurts. These are usually $3.25. What you're going to do is pick up 2 of them. They're on BOGO. Your total will be $3.26. There is a $1.50 coupon on the Publix app. It's going to bring your total down to $1.76 at the register. Now, the great thing about this deal is that we do have an IBOTTA rebate as well. This IBOTTA rebate is for 50 cents, but you're going to do 50 cents per box because we're buying 2 boxes. So that's going to take $1 off the total. You'll get that $1 back. With the coupon and the IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make these GoGurt 76 cents or 38 cents each. The Pillsbury biscuits are buy one, get one free. They're usually $3.15 each. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 of them at $1.58 each. Your total will be $3 and about 15 cents per can of biscuit. And then on the IBOTTA app, on the Publix app, there is a $1 off coupon when you buy 2. So your total at the register is going to be $2.16 or about $1.08 per can of biscuits. So the Lay's potato chips are usually $4.79 each, which is crazy. They're buy one, get one free. So they're $2.40 each. What you're going to do is pick up 4 bags. Your total will be $9.60. On the Publix app, there is a $2 coupon when you buy 4 of the Lay's products. That's going to make your total to register $7.60 or $1.90 per bag of Lay's chips. For the Smithfield bacon, they're usually $8.99, but they're buy one, get one free. So $4.50 for the Smithfield bacon. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 packs. Picking up 3 packs is going to help us to be able to use this threshold coupon. So pick up 3 packs. Your total will be $13.50. There is a threshold coupon where if you spend $25, the deal on the Ling Cuisine, these are 4 for $12. Usually $4.79 each, but they'll be $3 with this sale. You're going to pick up 7 boxes. Your total will be $21. This is great for quick lunches. And then we have a $5 coupon when you spend $20 on various Ling Cuisine products. That's going to bring your total down with that coupon to $16 or just $2.29 per box. The banana bread is usually $6.99 each. It's on BOGO. You'll pick up 1 at $3.50. We do have a $1 coupon, $1 IBOTTA rebate, $1 IBOTTA rebate on the IBOTTA app. And then we also have 1,500 fetch points, which is equivalent to about $1.50. So with the $1 IBOTTA rebate and the $1 in fetch, it's going to make this banana bread just $1. The Bry Paper Towels are $10.99, but they're on BOGO. So each pack will be $5.50. You're going to pick up 2 packs. Your total is going to be $11 on these. Now, we're going to be using a coupon that we had last week. I already used mine, but this is the spend 20, get a $5 off on this on the Publix app, and I actually used it on the Angel Soft. If you didn't use it on the Angel Soft and you still have it, check your app and make sure that you always clip all your coupons in your Publix app each week because these do go away. Now, with that $5 coupon, it's going to make the Bry Paper Towels $6 or $3 each. I know a lot of people are on their weight loss journey for the beginning of the year, and these Chicken of the Sea tuna pouches are on sale 10 for $10. On the Publix app, there is a 25-cent coupon making these 75 cents. I do know that some people had an IBOTTA rebate for 25 cents, but I no longer have that. So these will be just 75 cents after the 25-cent coupon on the Publix app. Thank you so much for watching today. These deals were from Publix, July the 2nd to July the 9th. Please remember to comment your favorite deal of the day and share my videos with your friends. We're all on this life journey of saving money together, and we need to support each other.